Hey everyone, my name's Olivia.
And I'm Lindsay.
And we are back for another unboxing. So we're unboxing November's BeautyBox, and the theme for November is Love Thy Planet. Being eco-conscious and eco-friendly is such a huge mission of ours here at Beauty Society, and you know that you never have to sacrifice your skincare or your cosmetics to be eco-friendly. Of course, you have your pamphlet that outlines everything that you received in your beauty box this month, and of course be sure to use that coupon as soon as possible because it does expire on the 20th of the following month, so that's December 20th. Make sure you use that coupon code. And of course, in all of our beauty boxes, we have biodegradable peanut packaging that not only keeps your products safe, but they're biodegradable. You can throw them in your garden, you can put them under some water, and they are just a very eco-friendly option to keep all your products safe. In your eco-friendly beauty box, we have included 2 refills, and as you may know, we have a partnership with the Eden Reforestation Program that plants a tree with every single refill sold. So that means that in your beauty box alone, there are 2 new beautiful trees planted in the world. So for the first refill, we have Love Thy Face. Love Thy Face is our most popular moisturizer for a reason. It's great for sensitive, dry, and maturing skin. It is a very heavy emollient, and it's packed full of luxurious ingredients that keep your skin soft and supple throughout the day. You're gonna wanna use this morning and night at the end of your routine, and don't ever skip your moisturizer.
We also have a True Salvation refill. This is such an amazing product. If you have any blemishes, any acne, any texture issues with your skin, you have to use this product. It is a game changer in so many other ways. It's got 10% glycolic and salicylic acid in it, which is going to really kill all of the bacteria on your skin. This is in a refill for the Love Thy Planet theme this month. Not only is True Salvation going to help kill the bacteria in your skin to prevent acne, but it's going to make that happen for future breakouts. And again, texture and tone will change so drastically using True Salvation.
And next we have a little travel size of one of our most popular serums, Drama Free. Drama Free really helps out to take the drama out of your face. It combats a myriad of skin concerns. If you have rosacea, redness, acne, dry skin, chemically treated skin, scarring, Drama Free is going to be your best friend. I can drink this stuff like water. I put it all over my face, all over my chest. You're gonna wanna use it day and night. It is a step 3 product, so you're gonna use it after you cleanse and resurface, and you're gonna follow that up with some moisturizer. So the new product in November's beauty box is a luxurious cuticle oil that we named Nailed It. Nailed It is going to be essential for future nail growth. It's going to improve the overall health of your nails, and it's going to make your cuticles super shiny and super beautiful. The packaging is fantastic because it has a little roll on, so all you have to do is, maybe a couple times a day, just roll it on your cuticles. And it's a very compact package, so it's something that you can throw in your purse. You're gonna wanna keep on your desk, you're gonna wanna use it frequently throughout the day, and a little bit goes a long way, so this is definitely going to last you. Something that I am super excited about for November's beauty box are these cute reusable makeup wipes. They're extremely eco-friendly, they're not like one-time use makeup wipes, they're ultra soft, they're softer than traditional washcloths, they're not gonna fall apart like cotton rounds, they're chemical free, they are made from bamboo, and what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put your favorite makeup remover, maybe that's Easy on the Eyes or one of our cleansers, Easygoing or Semi-Free. You're going to use it to remove the makeup off your face, and when you're done, you're gonna put it back in the mesh bag and just throw it in your washing machine. Super easy and super cute and eco-friendly. This month, we decided to spoil you guys by including 2 beauty tools. So we have a 4-step nail file, and what it's gonna do is it files, it shapes, it buffs, and it polishes. You guys are not going to believe what this does to your nails. If you use this in combination with Nailed It, you are never gonna have to go back to the salon. You're going to have healthy, clean, natural looking nails, and most importantly, super strong.
In this beauty box, we also have the dark brown eye pencil. This is going to be your new best friend, a must-have for your makeup bag. It is a dark brown color, so not only is it great for your eyes, but it's also such a great filler for your eyebrows, ladies. We all know the eyebrows are a thing right now. It has a wonderful built-in pencil sharpener, and again, it's gonna leave that long-lasting pigmentation that we want, so it stays on effortlessly all day.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for being a BeautyBox subscriber. If you're not already a BeautyBox subscriber, please check out the description below to learn more. And I just want to quickly say that being eco-friendly is such a huge mission of Beauty Society, and we are so proud of our partnership with the Eden Reforestation Project. If you have a second and you have this pamphlet, please be sure to read on the back just about our mission and Eden's mission. And please understand that not only are you making the planet more beautiful by buying our refills or donating at checkout, you're also giving employment to people in the world that really, really need it. You're changing lives with your skincare. Thank you guys so much. We love you so much.
You.
Bye.